Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the daily feed in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books that are recommended to us. We can find out posts by other people that we follow and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to use the daily feed. So basically guys, the daily feed in Deepstash is designed to replace mindless social media scrolling with micro-learning, offering curated bite-sized insights from books, articles and podcasts. So it is personalized and frequently updated with content that you follow. So if you want to go and use it, it's going to be available right here directly on the homepage. From here, we can find books that we want to read, we have our posts and so on, all the articles. And if you want to add even more interest to your daily feed, go to the Explore option right here at the bottom of the screen, and from the Explore option you can dive deeper into some topics that you want to follow. Open up any of the topics such as personal development and follow it from the follow button right here. And if you're following them, then it's going to appear on your daily feed, and this is how you can go ahead and customize it to your liking. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.